Good day. In this video we're going to look how to determine the equation of a graph. The graph given below is a straight line. You're supposed to know the formula y equals to mx plus c. First we will solve it using a more complicated method that is safe and always works. And then if you know your rules, there's a shorter method. Firstly, we write down the formula y equals to mx plus c. Then we write down two coordinates we can get from the graph. So there we got a coordinate, x is 6, that means x is 6 and y is 0. Then we got another number there, y is minus 2, so y is minus 2 and x is 0. So you write down your two coordinates. Then you write down the formula for m that you're supposed to know. So m has got its own formula. M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then you label your coordinates. The first one x1, and that's y of 1. X of 2 and y of 2, you can even swap them around as long as you call the one coordinate 1 and the other one 2. Then you substitute these numbers into your formula. In the place of y2, you'll put minus 2. In the place of y1, you'll put the naught. In the place of x2, you'll put the naught. In the place of x1, you will put the 6. This we always do in brackets. Then you work out the top and get minus 2. Bottom gives you minus 6. You simplify it and you get 1 over 3. So the value of m is 1 over 3. I put it back in my equation. Then my equation that I originally had like this now will look like this. Then I take any one of these two coordinates. I use this one. I write it down and I substitute this naught in the place of x and the minus 2 in the place of y. And then I will solve for c. Like I said, I put the minus 2 in the place of y and the 0 in the place of x. Then get your answer. C is equal to minus 2. So I have my m now, and I have my c worked out. So I have my equation, which equals y equal to a third x minus 2. Before we use the next technique, please remember if there's any problem that you have with school mathematics, you can send the problem with this WhatsApp photo to this number. Then we will look at it and send you a memo of the problem or make a small video for you. The second method runs on the assumption that you know that the c is your y-intercept. That means this minus 2 on the y line, you can immediately fill in here. Whenever we substitute in maths, we do it in brackets. Then we simplify. Then we have y equals to mx minus 2. Then I take the other coordinate that I have on my graph, which is 6 and naught, and I plug that 6 in the place of x and the naught in the place of y. Then we simplify what we have. Took the minus 2 to this side, it became a 2, and I just wrote the 6 in front of the m. Now I can solve for m. Divide by 6 on both sides, you get m equals to 2 over 6. If I simplify this, I will get the answer m equals to a third. Then I write the m's value, which is a third, in the place of m, and the minus 2 that I put in originally in the place of c. Then my final answer is still y equals to a third x minus 2. If they ask you to find the equation of this line over here, you can see there's my y-axis, there's my x-axis. It says that it's running parallel to the x-axis. So this you have to know. You can't go through y equals to mx plus c. Here, looking at that 3 over there, you just write the answer y equals to 3. That's the equation of this line. If you don't understand, look at the video that says Introduction to the Cartesian Plane. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked this video, and please subscribe to the channel. If there's anything in school mathematics that you're not sure about, you can send a WhatsApp photo of your problem to this number. Then we will make a memo for you and send it back by WhatsApp, or make you a small video and place it for free on this channel. Enjoy mathematics.